Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, today we're going to save, load and move sections, rows and modules. Now I've got my Visual Builder enabled here, and what we're going to do today is we're going to save a section, we're going to save a row, and we'll save an individual module. So first let's go up and save our section, which is the blue tab here. Now this is great if you want to move and reuse sections on your site, or even if you want to move them to another website that's got Divi on it, and we'll be doing both today. So in our section we can go up to our little icon just to the left of the trash there, left click, save to library, we'll give it a name, we'll say section 1, and we'll save it to a library. Now we're in there, let's save our row. Same little icon right there, green tab for a row. And we'll call this row 1. Or whatever makes sense to you to give it a name so you can identify it later on. And let's just go into this module, or this one, doesn't matter, and we'll save it. I'll say mod 1. Okay, so we've now saved our section, our row and our module to our library. If I now exit the Visual Builder, let's go to our dashboard. And let's go down to Divi and down to Divi Library. And as you can see, in the library, it's where all our saves are saved. Here's mod 1, row 1 and section 1. So if we want to add a new page, just add a new page. Call this save. Use the Divi Builder, and let's build from scratch. Okay, so it's prompted us to put in a section and a row and a module. So let's just leave that for a moment, and we'll go down and hit the new section button, the blue button here for a new section. I'm going to hit the plus. I'm going to say add from library. And there's our section 1 we saved. Now if we look at the library, it tells you what sort of save you've got here. So mod 1's a module, row 1's a row, and section 1's a section. So let's add section 1. And there it is, we've saved our whole section there. Great. And we can do the same thing with a row. If we click on the row button, add from library, there's our row 1. Fantastic. Now if we want to add a new module, we can just do exactly the same thing with the module. Add from library, there's module 1. There we go, simple as that. Then obviously save your changes. Now the great thing about this, if we go back to our library, is I've got another WordPress site open right here, and we can actually migrate or save from one and load to the other. So up the top of the library page you'll find import and export. So what I'm going to do, you can do them individually or you can do them all. Just select the ones you want. I'll select all 3. I'm going to hit the import and export button. Only export selected item. Now, could have left that off because we're having all of them, but I'm just doing it for demo. And let's call this new 1 and delete the rest. And export the Divi Builder layout. Now, as you can see, I'm using Google Chrome, so it's downloaded it to my little browser window there. You may be using something different and it'll download to your default location. Okay, so we're happy with that. Can X out of there. Let's go over to our new site and let's go to our dashboard on our new site and go down to Divi, to our library. I've already got a fair few in this library, but I'm going to import and export. I'm going to hit the import button. I'm going to simply drag my file up here, or you can hit choose file and browse for it that way. I'm going to leave apply layouts defaults to the website because that will overwrite any styles we've got. So I'm going to leave that unchecked. I'm going to say import Divi builder layouts. And there we go, we've imported it. So in our new site, let's grab a new page, or I can use an existing page. I may as well just use the existing page. Let's enable our visual builder. And once enabled, let's go down and add our new modules. Okay, well, blue one, I'm going to try a section first. I'm going to hit the little blue one, add from library. And there it is, section 1. And it's loaded it straight in there for us. And of course we can do the same with the row. Add from library. Row 1. And there's our row. And if we just want to do a module, we can do it with a module also. Left click, new module, add from library. And there's our module 1. And it just integrates with whatever you've got in your library there. And there's our little module. And of course it's filling the available space for the column that it's in. So there you have it. There's how to save, import, export sections, rows and modules. I hope you found that useful and enjoyed it. If you have, please ring the bell, give it a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie with System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.